1. Cricket is a game played between two teams, each with 11 players. 2. The game starts with a coin toss to decide which team bats or bowls first. 3. The team batting sends two players at a time to the pitch. 4. Batsmen score runs by hitting the ball and running between two sets of stumps. 5. The opposing team takes turns bowling 6 deliveries, an over, to get the batsman out. 6. Batsman can be out if the bowler hits the stumps, catches the ball, or for other reasons. 7. If the ball reaches the boundary, the batsman automatically score 4 runs. 8. If the ball is hit over the boundary without bouncing, it's a 6. 9. Each team gets a chance to bat and bowl, switching roles after a set number of overs or when all batsmen are out. 10. Runs can also be scored through extras, like no balls or wides by the bowling team. 11. The team with the most runs at the end of the game wins. 12. If all players on a team are out before finishing their overs, the other team gets a chance to bat. 13. Cricket emphasizes fair play and sportsmanship. 14. Umpires enforce the rules and make decisions during the game. 15. The game is played with a cricket ball, bat, and wickets, stumps. 16. Batsmen try to protect the stumps and score runs simultaneously. 17. The playing field is a large oval-shaped ground with a pitch in the center. 18. The bowler aims to dismiss batsmen by various means, including bowled, caught, and run out. 19. Fielders attempt to stop the ball and prevent runs. 20. Players wear protective gear, including helmets and pads, for safety. 21. The team batting can declare their innings over if they choose. 22. Matches can have different formats, such as Test, One Day, or T20. 23. Test matches can last up to 5 days, while One Day and T20 matches have shorter durations. 24. Cricket matches can be played in various weather conditions, and rain can affect the game. 25. Power plays are specific periods in limited overs cricket, with certain fielding restrictions. 26. Players rotate strike by taking turns facing the bowler. 27. Bowlers try to deceive batsmen with different types of deliveries, like spin or pace. 28. Cricket matches are often accompanied by enthusiastic crowds and cheering. 29. The spirit of the game encourages respect between opponents and fair competition. 30. Cricket is a dynamic and strategic sport that captivates players and fans alike. 1. Mancating a bowler can run out the non-striking batsman if they leave the crease before the ball is bowled, a move known as mancating. 2. Free hit after a bowler delivers a no ball, an illegal delivery, the next ball is a free hit, meaning the batsman can't be out except for run out. 3. Obstructing the field. If a batsman deliberately obstructs the field, they can be given out, even if the obstruction is not related to a run. 4. Handled the ball. Batsmen can be given out if they deliberately touch the ball with a hand not holding the bat and without the consent of a fielder. 5. Retired out. A batsman can be retired out if they leave the field for any reason without the umpire's permission. 6. Lost ball. If the ball cannot be found during the game, the fielding side is awarded 5 penalty runs, and the batsman may also get runs they ran before the ball was lost. 7. Timed out. If a new batsman takes more than 3 minutes to arrive at the crease, they can be given out as timed out. 8. Hit wicket. Batsmen can be out if, after the bowler has entered the delivery stride, and while the ball is in play, their wicket is put down either by the striker's bat or person. 9. Handled the ball. A batsman can be given out if, while the ball is in play and without the consent of a fielder, any part of their person or their clothing makes contact with the ball. 10. Double hit. If a batsman hits the ball twice, other than a hand hit, they can be given out. However, it's not out if the ball is struck twice to avoid injury.